Hey there, folks. Welcome to a special edition video from Tyler Cox, coming to you from Yamaha Unified Communications. Today, we are going to focus on education. Over the past 12 months, we have seen the education system pivot and adapt to these new softwares, to these new products, these solutions, hardware, you name it. Teachers, students, instructors throughout the world have had to learn how to utilize new solutions. Now, that's not easy for them, right? But what I want to focus on is 4 incredibly easy to use solutions by Yamaha Unified Communications that are taking the pain points that we are seeing within this hybrid learning and making things a little bit less stressful. And we're going to kick it off with our number one favorite that just started shipping last week, and that is Edessia. As I said, it started shipping last week, and we have multiple units out to a higher education campus. We are extremely excited to see the installation process and to see the success that it's going to bring. Now, the big benefits to Edessia within education and hybrid learning is that you have folks joining from in classroom and virtually, both students and teachers. What you need is a product that gives you the best near and far end audio experience. Edessia as a full collaboration solution with a ceiling microphone with no fixed lobes, with dynamic beamform tracking, which means no dead zones, VXL series speakers, a signal processor, and a network switch, all in one solution. This product helps ease pain points of lecture capture and voice lift. We are making things easier on the students and the teachers so that when people are engaging and collaborating through these classrooms, they are being heard both ends. So make sure you guys, if you are looking for a full solution that allows your teacher to walk around the classroom, that also helps with social distancing guidelines, and in reality, helping making people feel more comfortable while they are doing this virtual learning, Edessia is your answer. So get those orders in, guys, because we are shipping them and they are getting off the shelves quickly. I want to move to another one of my favorite products by Yamaha Unified Communications that we have multiple success stories about within the education system, and that is the YVC 1000. Now, the YVC 1000 takes audio technology to a whole nother level. We have auto tuning. We have human voice activity detection. We have technically 15 microphones that can be placed throughout your classrooms, which allow, again, to follow those social distancing guidelines, help capture audio, and create sound for those joining virtually. The YVC 1000 has a very powerful speaker box that you can place at the front of the room, and then you can daisy chain 5 mic pods throughout the classroom, which helps you capture the audio. This solution is really, really great if you have a budget that you need to follow and can be moved from classroom, and it is also scalable. You have the capability of adding external monitor speakers. You have the capability of adding a wearable microphone or even an XLR microphone for that teacher that wants to be walking around the classroom while also teaching virtually and in class. So make sure you guys check out the YVC 1000. It is perfect if you're on a budget, and it really is an incredibly technologically advanced solution. And then I also want to talk about our education kit. That is our HD single or dual wireless plug and play solution. This thing has voice lift and lecture capture. This allows for teachers to roam throughout the classroom without having to worry if they are being picked up or not. It is a plug and play solution, and it is at a great cost and price point. So if you are looking for something that is easy to use, make sure you guys check out our USB education kit on our website. And then lastly, I want to talk about the CS700 all-in-one audio video soundbar. This product does it all. This is a all-in-one solution, plug and play, Zoom certified. right? It is also agnostic with any of the other video platforms that are out there. It is a high definition camera, 120-degree field of view, beam array microphones, human voice activity detection, and it is also scalable as well, which gives you the capability of adding an external microphone to speak for the instructor throughout the classroom. They can have a wearable. They also have the option to place a directional microphone as well, either wired or wireless. This product is off the chain perfect for classrooms that are doing hybrid learning. So that is really what I wanted to harp on for you guys today. Yamaha is taking and learning from what we are seeing out there in the field over the past 12 months and creating solutions, adapting our solutions to the pain points that need to be taken care of. And that comes with Edessia, YVC 1000 Zoom certified, the HD single or dual education kit, and our CS700 Zoom certified as well. Check out more on our website. Reach out to your distributors or resellers to make sure you guys get these. If you don't know who to reach out to, reach out my way and I'll point you in the right direction. Thank you for your time. And I appreciate all of the teachers and the students that have really gone through some hard, unprecedented time over the past year. We are going to continue to make sure we focus on creating products that help solve pain points that you guys are going through on your day-to-day virtual learning. So make it a great day. Check out these products for your education classrooms, and I will see you guys soon. Take care and have a good one.